real mess in the garage at the moment, but I have now lights fully working due to a cable which fell out here and was pulled down when I rewired this, because this indicator stalk had broken. I also got the horn working. That now works. All the lights working except for this indicator here, and this indicator's got a problem because it's slightly rusted on the inside. I've tried contact clean and everything. I just have to get a new one of these. It just doesn't work. And then so this control panel I've wired up directly to here, so it actually should work. This is my new control panel. It should work on the key. Let's see if it works. I've actually not tested this actually. Yeah, so look, works on the key. And that's how I wanted it to work. And then I have, with the control panel working, the infrared light system here. I'm going to wire in the lights. I've tested one. You have to take the whole thing apart and then wire it from the inside. And then these fit here. I have to drill some holes to fit them. And then I've got the rear ones coming next week. So it's looking good. So final test. Wiring up. So lights now working with it. And then ignition. Voila. Ignition. Perfect.